In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Shopify email templates with Klaviyo. To begin, open your Klaviyo dashboard in your browser. This is where you will design the notification template so it matches your brand before moving it into Shopify. Once you are in Klaviyo, look to the left sidebar and click on Content. From there, select Templates. This section holds all the saved email layouts you can reuse, edit, and export. Next, go to the top right corner and click Create Template. When the template options open, select the Standard tab. Within Standard, find the section labeled Shopify Notification Templates. These are designed specifically for Shopify system emails, like order confirmations and shipping updates, so they are a great starting point because the structure is already set up for notifications. Now you can edit the design in the Klaviyo Builder. Add your logo so customers immediately recognize your store. Apply your brand colors to headers, buttons, and accents to keep everything consistent with your website. You can also include social links so customers can find your store on the platforms you use. As you customize, keep readability in mind. Use clear fonts, strong contrast between text and background, and spacing that makes the email easy to scan. When you are happy with the layout, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and makes the template available for export. Then find your newly saved template in the list. Click the three dots menu next to it and select Export. A pop-up window will appear with the full HTML for the template. Carefully copy the entire block of HTML code from that pop-up. Make sure you copy everything, from the very beginning to the very end, because missing even a small section can break the formatting in Shopify. After that, open Shopify and navigate to your store notifications. Choose the notification email you want to update. Then paste in the HTML you copied from Klaviyo, replacing the existing code. Finally, click Preview to verify the look and check for any spacing or styling issues. If everything looks right, click Save to apply the change. And that is all there is to it.